There's Fontana Dam. Starting to get a beautiful sunset out there. Beautiful. I kind of just want to sit here and watch it. Absolutely grand view up at the Shuckstack. And I heard there's some water up ahead at Russell Field. Nothing at Mollie's Ridge, but I did hear there was some at Birch Springs, so that's good. I've been drinking a little more. About 3 miles from the first shelter here. I'm hoping to find some water at this gap. Neatly Gap. So we'll see. I've already gone through 1.8 liters of water and I've had no sources. Hey guys, this is the this old tree that I've seen in a bunch of other pictures. So yeah, man, you can literally fit inside this thing. Alright guys, made it to Mollie's Ridge. Let me tell you, getting here was a royal pain in the ass, man. Just a royal pain in the uphill ass. There's nothing but uphill. This is worse than the NSC by far. Morning, everybody. Headed out of Mollie's Ridge shelter and had probably the worst amount of sleep I think I've ever had on the trail. I'm not real sure what the deal was, man, but I laid awake for like 6 hours just with my eyes closed, just sitting there, and couldn't fall asleep, couldn't drift off. Was just kind of sitting there the whole time. And so I'm ready to go. I got 12 miles to the Derrick Knob shelter. The only water is at Derrick Knob and Russell Field shelters. I tell you, man, carrying the extra water is a real pain in the ass on in this part of the trail. There's a lot of long uphills, and it will just wear you straight down. That's my update. On my way down, headed towards Russell Field right now. It's about 9 a.m. So I'm about 1.3 miles from Russell Field at this point. It's been pretty easy coming down, but I tell you, coming down means you got to go back up, and we're going to be going up Rocky Top and Thunderhead. Got to Russell Field. I'm headed down to fill up this bottle for one purpose, and that's to guzzle it all before I leave. Come down through here. This is about 0.2 from Russell Field, and it says here, it says water source, but I believe there's supposed to be some cairns, because as you can see, this water source is dry, man. Look at that. That's supposed, you can tell right there. I mean, that's usually a nice little creek. It's always that you just didn't go far enough. when it comes to water. And sometimes it's a pain in the ass because you're going down some major elevation to get to the water. Okay, I see the cairns. See the cairns, guys? Okay, here we go. See that little pool of water? That's us. This is probably the most perfect tree/bench I've seen on the Appalachian Trail. This rock is the perfect height to just rest your pack on and lean on. So the tree is grown over the rock. And normally I wouldn't stop here, but I've just got to sit down on this. It looks too perfect. My pack is completely supported off of my back, and then I'm able to lean and just relax. Let me tell you, it is such a great feeling when you find a place like this and you relax. 5 minutes or so, and then you're back on the trail and you feel a lot better. Hey guys, this is the approach to Spence Field, and I'm guessing it's down through those bushes. But you can see these mountains. They look really cool. There's a lot of grassy little balds up here. They used to bring all of the livestock or cattle or something up here to graze. Used to be a lot clearer than this back in those days, and we're talking the 1800s, I think. And this is just the beginning of these views. We've finally made it high enough in the Smoky Mountains to where we can see stuff like that. I've just been taking my time today. I got about 6 miles to the shelter. Got to get up to Rocky Top, get up to Thunderhead Mountain, and then down a good ways, and then over to small mountains. So it is what it is, but I always take my time to stop at places like this. It's, you know, if you just hike endless miles and you're just grinding away at the trail, it starts becoming not fun, and that's not why I come out here. I come out here to have a good time, to see things, to enjoy the trail, and you know, there are times when you got to do that grueling hike where there's no views and there's nothing, and then the only thing to look forward to is rest. But up here, that's not the case. Welcome to Rocky Top. Look right down here, you can see the little white blaze. Once I met a girl on Rocky Top, part bear, the other half cat. Wild as a mink and sweet as soda pop, I still dream about that. I think that song was released Christmas 1967, if I'm not mistaken. Good old Rocky Top. It's a pretty cool place. Hey guys, this should be close to Thunderhead Mountain. That's kind of hard to read. There's Rocky Top. I don't know if you can see the people on it over there. The trail winds down. All right, we are at the summit, Thunderhead Mountain. By the way, I'm standing on this giant cairn that people put here so you could stand up and look, because if you don't stand on it, you can't see anything. There's too much rhododendron and other bushes.